How to create a collection on Etsy. Hi everyone, in this video you would learn how you can create a collection on Etsy. So if this is your question, just sit through and watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Etsy account, just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, this is how the account looks like. Alright, where you would see other products similar to the ones that you searched for, and by the time you scroll down, you'll see other categories of products that you can get on Etsy. But if you do not want to scroll down, you can just click on the categories tab, which is located by the top left corner of the screen next to the logo. And then once you click on it, you'll see all of the categories available. Then for you to be able to create a collection, you'd have to first of all add a collection add a product to your collection. And how do you do that? First of all, select the products that you would like to add to a collection. So once you've selected the products, you will be brought to the products page where you'd see details about the product by the right side of the screen. Once you see all of these details, you will see some buttons which include buy it now, add to basket. Then you'll see add to collection. So just go ahead and click on add to collection. Then once you click on add to collection, a window will pop up in the middle of the screen. First of all, wait for it to load. Then once it has loaded, you can see that I have a collection already, which is named favorite. But to create a new one, just click on create new product, and you have to give it a name. So you can just, for example, any name that you deem fit. And then if you want to set it to private, you can decide to set to private, or if not, you can leave it the way it is, and then you click on create collection. And just like that, that collection, would be created, and the item we've selected will be added to it. So this is basically how you can create a collection on Etsy. Very, very simple. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.